My family. Hi, welcome to my home. My name is Paul. I'm 12 years old, and this is my beautiful family. There are 6 people in my family: my mom, my dad, my 2 sisters, my younger brother, and me. This is my sister, Olivia, who is 10. She is in the 4th grade. She loves reading, and her favorite school subject is English. This is my younger brother, Oliver, who is 7. He is in the 1st grade. He loves playing games with his spinning top. He never seems to have enough of it. This is my youngest sister, Lucy, who has just turned 4. She is in the kindergarten and loves playing with her dolls. We get along very well and love each other very much. But well, sometimes we have our fights and arguments too. We usually make up soon afterward. My mom is a nurse, and she works in a hospital. She is so kind and compassionate, and she always takes good care of the sick people. When she gets home, she always helps us with our homework. My mom is an excellent cook, and she loves to bake delicious cakes. My dad is a photographer. He travels very often with his job to take great pictures in the foreign places. When he returns home from his travels, he tries to spend as much time as possible with us, and we have a lot of fun together. On weekends, we sometimes go on bike rides together. This is my uncle, my mom's brother. His name is Simon. He and my dad are brothers-in-law. My dad doesn't have any siblings. My uncle is so proud to have 2 nephews and 2 nieces. This is my aunt. She is my uncle's wife. Her name is Grace. They have 2 kids, a 3-year-old daughter named Lizzie and a newborn son. They are my cousins. Happy birthday, Grandma! Thank you, sweetheart. This is my grandma. We are celebrating her birthday. She is turning 55. Now she has 6 grandchildren, 2 grandsons and 3 granddaughters. She and my grandpa are farmers, and they live on a big farm in the countryside. She loves feeding her animals and taking care of them. She also enjoys working in the garden. She has many fruits and vegetables. We love spending our vacation on her farm. She has so many wonderful tales to tell us all the time. My grandpa is 60, and he is pretty energetic and really hardworking. He wakes up very early in the morning every day. There's always something to do on the farm, and my grandpa is always busy. He is very funny. He tells us many great jokes and makes us laugh so much. They are my grandparents on my mother's side. My grandparents on my father's side live in a different country, very far away from us, in a big city. They live in a 4-room apartment on the 3rd floor. They are retired, so they usually go on lots of camper van trips. They enjoy spending as much time as possible in nature. That's why they are so healthy and energetic. They visit us several times a year. We also talk on Skype pretty often.